Hi guys, my name is Paul and welcome back in a new lecture of G+10 Story Building Analysis and Design using ETAB. So guys, in this particular project, lecture number 2, we are going to discuss about how we can create a specific dimensions of the building like beam, column and slab, right? And shear wall also. So first of all, what we are going to do is, here you can see here a specific, a column and beam is prepared. But we need to prepare the other structural element. So first of all, let's see the project. Okay, design preferences, structure layout, properties. Just go to the material first. Now assign a material of the steel. So just go to the India steel Indian section, and here you can see, if you select the steel, you will get Fe 250 and Fe 345, but you need to select rebar to get the HVASD bar. So first of all, I am going to select the high yield steel deform grade 500 bars. Click on OK and just click on OK. After that, this particular bar I selected as a main bar, main steel. After that, I again select the Fe mild grade of steel for shear reinforcement and click on OK. Right? OK. So as you select these two steel material, now I'm going to add the concrete. Now you can see, last time when you practice, so most of the time you found that you are lagging your design standard, or your shear failures over there. You are not getting no rebar values in your beam. Why? Because due to your material composition, due to your property compositions, all these factors are directly related with the each other, right? So first of all, I'm going to select the M40 grade of concrete, okay, and click on OK, and just click OK. Okay. Now we have the concrete material, we have the steel bar, right? After that, we will assign, just minimize this one. Now just go to the frame section. Here the default sections assign. Okay, now we are going to assign the add new property, the rectangular one. Okay, we are providing the data as a column. Okay, here I am going to select material as a M40, right? Concrete rectangular. Depth I am selecting as a 700, okay, by 600. Modify the story bar. Column designing, longitudinal bar HYSD 500, and ties I'm selecting mild bar, right? Here I'm providing the longitudinal bar size and area I'm providing as how much? 1025, and corner size I'm providing as 20. That this is the main bar and this is the corner one. Okay, right? I can provide this as a 25 and I'm providing this as a 22. Okay, right? Now the steers, like the stirrups ties, I'm selecting as a 10 and just click on OK and click on OK. After that, go to select add new property, again rectangular one, and I'm adding the beam. Okay, select the material M40, assigning the depth as 400, okay, and the width as how much? 300, right? Modify story bars, beam, HOSD, M25, right? Click on OK, OK, right? After that, slab section. Select the slab, right click, add new section, slab 120 mm, right? Slab material M40, right? Here you can see Shen thick, okay? Then I'm asking 120, but we are assigning it in different manner, right? Last we create the layers and all, that one we will assign, but that you will get in next lecture, okay? In this lecture only we are assigning the materials and all. After that, what we have to do is, first of all, select to the all story. Now, whatever you are going to assign, it will be applicable to the all story, right? Now, first of all, we will assign the beam. So what you have to do, click over here, then come over here and select the beam. Now you can see you need to select the beam, right? So I'll start from here. One, okay. You can see assign, okay. When we click on the all the pattern, it will reflect, right? One, just wait a minute. We should be keep this point at top story, apply. Okay. Here we need to keep as a as 3D view. Okay. Just wait a minute. Elevation. We will keep the elevation over here. The dimension. Okay. Now you can see it is assigned, but I need to delete it first. Okay, because it is a maximum the value is assigned. As it is a very big model, that's why it take very long time. Okay. So we need to assign it properly. Delete. And because if you not delete, it will reflect you the problem as like multi-story or like each and every story we assign the material like that. Okay. So we need to first delete all these points, right? So here also this one I'm going to delete. Okay, we just wait a minute because it takes time. Most of the time it take time. So don't worry about this, right? So you can see this particular beam over here. Let me check on which particular section it is listed. Okay, okay. So it is this particular one, right? So I need to go to the next plan, next story, then and only then I can see apply. Okay, yes, here it is. Delete. Wait a minute. We should delete all this data, and in most of the time, this kind of the patterns will reflect, and it will provide you very different kind of the patterns, right? And most of the time, it will not delete also. So don't worry about this. Okay, right? You can see it is delete now. Now again, I'm going to the plan number 10 to a store number 10 to provide proper dimensions. Even though I first need to delete all the data because I need to provide it very properly, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select the beam one. Okay, here as I selected the beam, okay, I have selected this beam particular content. Now what I'll do, I'll select this particular beam first. Okay, this one first over here, select it first. Okay, then I'll select this. Okay, then I'll select this. Okay, then I'll this one, select this one. Okay, select this one, select this one, select this one. Okay, then after that I'll select this one. Now I'm overwriting right now. Okay, because after that the 10 story model I will delete. Okay, or you can delete all the data, but I'm overwriting. I know where to do. That's why I'm overwriting the data. Okay, right? After that, when you're done with this, you need to click over here. Okay, I think this was my line, right? Then clicked here, clicked here, then clicked here, clicked here, Okay, so now you're worrying about it like why we're assigning all this pattern like this. Okay, so what you have to do apart from that, what you can do extra one. Okay, so I'll providing one more diagrammatical, one more extra the extra tools for that. Okay, you can see we almost assign maximum portion, right? So again, what you can do, you can just go to the select and just select the object time, and you can just select as a beam. You can select, you can see the all beam will be selected properly, and you can assign it properly. But the most of the time it not work. Okay, most of the time it not work. That's why I'm assigning like this manner. Okay, now after that, again just select the beam. Okay, and here most of the time the problem is we are facing with the like there is a overwriting issue and all. Okay, so don't worry about this. You need to properly assign your all beams. Okay, and top story beam you need to delete. Right? Okay, you already assigned this one. Right? Now select this, select this, select this. Right? Now after that we are going to provide the shear wall over here. Okay, this, this, this. Understand? This, that's it. Right? So you can see we assign maximum one. I'm just closing this particular 3D wall, and again I'm going to on this. Okay, if I can see, let me see it properly. Which one I yet to be assigned? So I yet to assign the this direction beam. Okay, this direction beam, right? Understand? So what can I do? Okay, I yet to assign this middle beam, right? So click here, right? Click here, click here. And again, I'm going to check my model. Okay, just close. Okay, and again on. I know there is a problem of the overwriting. There will be definitely this issue will reflect soon, but I will get to know, okay, on which model I'm getting issue. Right? You can see the meme is properly assigned. Right? Now there is one more issue with that, that this middle one, okay, our model is assigned in this manner that the entry is from this direction, right? From this direction will be my entry. So you can see from which portion we yet to assign. If I see from the top, right, I assign the maximum portion, okay, right? I assign the maximum portion, right? Only the shear wall portion is still remaining. That we will assign the shear wall, don't worry. Now after that, what you have to do, just go to the one story, that's it. And after that, just press escape. Okay, click on this. Now select this particular one single beam. Okay, now first I will select this one, delete. Select this one, okay, delete, right? Select this one, delete. There is overwriting already. There is a maximum beam is overwritten already, that we need to delete. Okay, and this is one of the major, very major issue with ETAB, and most of the peoples don't know about this. Okay, that's why you need to emphasize your maximum time for this particular exercise. And I'll specifically tell you that you should do maximum practices for this particular pattern, right? Even though last time my few of my students asked me, sir, we are not getting the data properly or we are not getting the results properly. Why this particular why this particular type of questions arises? Because we not practiced. That is our the main reason. You should practice it very properly, and you will trust me, you will definitely get a very good output from that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, what I'm again going to select my beam. Okay, and I'll assign as quick as I can do. A single word I can assign. Okay, I know it is not visible right now, but you can see it when I'll go to the store number 9, apply. Okay, and when I come to, you can see in store number 9, you can see this particular pattern is yet to assign. Okay, and this pattern is also yet to assign. Okay, and if I come to story number 10, apply. Okay, you can see we done with this, right? Now, here I'm going to delete this one. Okay, going to delete this one also, right? After that, here I'm going to provide my share wall. Okay, so I'm deleting this one. Okay, right? See, okay. So what I am going to do is, here again going to select the beam, select this, select this, select this, select this, select this, select this. Okay. After that, select, we need to check it properly. Select this. Okay, like that. That's it. Press escape. Now, this one we need to delete, right? Delete this one. Select this one. Delete, delete. Okay. Again, go to the beam section. Provide like this. Provide like this. Right? Now, again come over here. None, nine. Again, delete the bottom one. Okay. Which you had to provide. Right? Delete, delete, delete. Okay. Just wait a minute. Okay. This is very random exercise that you need to do it on your own home very quickly, because when you done with this particular activity, the modeling one, okay, you will be very satisfied with your overall software course. Okay, then and only then you can tell me that yes sir, whatever we learned, okay, that is very good one from your side, and then and only then it will work properly, because practice makes man perfect, buddy. Okay, yeah. So you can delete this ones. Okay, I'm deleting this all structures. Okay, right, like this. again I'm going to select the beam one, select this 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 one, right? After that, again, select this particular one, okay, delete, okay, select this particular one, delete, okay, delete, just hold on, okay, select this one also, delete, because there I need to provide the share wall, select this one, delete, select this one and delete. So maximum portion we done. Okay, why I'm doing this video too lengthy, because I want to improvise your knowledge, and only this one will help you to do it properly. Now select again beam, assign beam here, assign beam here, assign beam here. Okay, now after that you can see that we assign model like this. Okay, we again redefine our model properly. Now we will go to the plan of story number 9, click on apply and click on OK. Okay, if you can see that here also we missed this particular data. Okay, we miss this particular line, so we need to assign it on that basic manner. Okay, we need to assign this particular line. Okay, so what we can do, we can assign this particular line, select the beam one. Okay, select assign over here. This is also we missed, right? We missed this one, we miss this particular line. Okay, we miss this particular line, understand, like this. Okay, now after that again we need to go to the next story, store number 8, click on apply. Okay, click on OK. Here you can see we did the same, because when we applying to the store number to all story, okay, definitely it only reflect to the single story, right? You can see here also we need to assign, and here also, right? After that we are on the store number 8. If you click over here, move down list, it will definitely go to the next story. You need to assign the same over here. Now what you identify, like, is this slab is very big? Definitely this slab space span is very big. And do you think this slab will provide you less shear forces? No, it will definitely provide you maximum shear forces, right? So what we can do for that? Yes, we can do some more changes for that. What we can do, we can provide a beam length over here. A proper beam length we can provide over here, which will makes us our slab more reflective and more productive. Okay, due to which it will provide us a very good output of the results. It will provide us a less minimum shear stresses, right? So again we need to assign over here, assign over here, assign over here, and assign over here. Understand? Then assign over here, right? Again go down. Just click once, not click double and double. If you click double double, it means it will not provide you, it will overlap your beam. Okay, and don't overlap your beam, right? Like this. So in this lecture, I'm done with this. Okay, today I taught you like how we can provide the maximum possible things in our uh, overall structures. Okay, here also one beam we need to add, that we will add soon, right, for the rest of the story. And yes, only this is a particular way where we need to identify what we missed, okay, and thus due to which we can prepare the model very properly. Okay, as your laptop is very strong or your system is very strong, you can do it very quickly, right? As I have very less specification laptop, it take a time to reflect the data As I'm updating, it is not updating in real manner. But yes, when a model is very low, it update in real manner, right? As we see earlier also, like for G+4 story building, right? I'm just saving this model. Okay. Now again, I'm going to the next story, which is the rest story, story number one. Okay. Assign here, assign here, assign here, assign here. Okay. Then assign here, assign here. Okay. Now, we are not bothering about the base story, right? Now again I'm going to up story once more. Okay, and I'm seeing like whether anything I missed out, nothing. But now I'm going to add the beam over here. Because this particular beam will help me to maintain my slab, right? So I'm going up by up, okay, adding this 4 beam, right? Due to which my building will be more sophisticated and more flexible, right? And see, yeah. Strand of 5, yes, I missed this one. Okay, few beams I missed that you need to also look into this because most of the time I also make some mistakes during teaching. I forgot about like what exactly I have missed. Okay, so that also we need to attach. But when the model is complete, you will definitely get to know like what are the features and what are the scenario we need to look in for. And remember always that if you are looking that you already have the dimensions and according to that we will prepare it. So don't do like that. Okay, that is totally wrong process. Design means on what design on what properties on what dimension you are getting proper designing that matters. Okay, 7. You're almost done. Okay, 8. Right. And tomorrow lecture I'm going to teach you how we can prepare the plan, okay, with slab. And after that, in tomorrow lecture itself, we will go for the building story design. Okay. So today in this today lecture, I'm done with the beam assignment, okay, and how to finalize the beam, how to settle the beam properly. And in tomorrow lecture, we will assign the column, the shear wall, the slab, okay, and we analyze it. Okay, so that will be my next lecture. So be ready for that. Do more practice, do maximum try. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here if I just select this one, if I save the model, if I click here, wait a minute, if I click here, close this one, okay, and I can open this one. Okay, you can see the model like this. If I rotate the model, right? Okay, now let's get at the column position also. Let's add the column. Okay, let's have some fun with this model. Now make sure that when you're adding column, okay, just go to the next plan. I'm at the I will be at the top plan. Okay, story number 10. I'll be make sure I'm to all story. Okay, and save the model. Right here, I'm taking the model like this. So here you need to go to 10, apply, and then click OK. Right now, just click over your column. Okay, I'm selecting the property as a column. Now I'm not done any orientation over here. I'm selecting the normal column. Okay, so I'm providing my column. You can see there is one beam I have left. Okay, so I'll add soon. So I'll select this first column over here, first one. Okay, I can change afterward. Okay, second one. Okay, third one. Right? Now you can see I'm going to add my column here, fourth one, fifth one, okay, sixth one. Now here I'll add seventh one, eighth one, right? Ninth one, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18. I'll make combined footing for these two columns. Okay, like this. Understand? So I'm providing this much column only, right? Press escape, save the model. Now here one more beam I would like to add, that I'll just select the beam model. I'll select the beam here, right? Now again save the model. Okay, I'll go downward direction. Let me see. Yes, I added properly, right? Let me see all the plan whether I'm it properly assigned or not, and it is properly assigned. Now I'll just close this 3D model. Okay, and again on, so you can see the plan is properly created, right? Understand? Now just go to the plan, and in next video I'm going to provide you the data related to the shear wall, slab, and after that we will analyze it. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys. Please watch it and do practice. Thank you so much.